Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started AutoCAD Tutorials series in English, this is it 12th lecture, and in this lesson I am going to discuss about make blocks, insert blocks, and also write block. First of all, we'll make some blocks, and I will show that how we'll insert that from block list, and also how we'll uh, create that block for every drawing by using write block. Okay. So let's start, and if you're new here, you can watch the previous video that I have already uploaded in our channel. They have almost 22,000 plus, 200 plus video about civil engineering related, and also I focus on software related tutorial, so you can watch that from my channel. The link are also given in description, playlist. So let's start. First of all, we'll open our AutoCAD software. So after opening our AutoCAD software, suppose at first I'll show how this block. Suppose if I use from here, suppose here, suppose uh, suppose this is a block and we want to reuse that everywhere. To reuse that, we can, suppose I need that block here, so I can just simply select that, copy that, and we can move here by using our copy tools. But I need that in every drawing. It's then how we'll do that. So to do that, suppose first of all I'll click B to make block. So in click here, then give a particular name, suppose B1 or block name, then here pick point. So how which point will take reference. Suppose when we used to move or copy, then we used some reference point or base point. So same as I will select a base point. Suppose this is our base point, and after that you have to click here, select object. So click here, select object. So from here I'll select that object, I'll select that full object, then press enter. So after that, press, also you can give it according to your unit. So press OK. So it's done. So how we'll see that our block is okay or not. So press I, then insert. In this way we can insert our block. To insert your block, press I, then insert, and here is B1. Here is B1. So press OK, and anywhere required you can press your block. Okay. Now suppose if you want to take that block in your next project or next product. Suppose when you will try to insert that block, or you will find that block in new project or new file. Suppose if I see you desktop drawing 1, suppose if I open a new file, and if I try to insert insert, and here that is not available. At this time that is not available. Okay. So this is the problem. So how we'll use that our insert, our block in here also. So I'll see you that. So cancel that, and also suppose when you are using the upper version of AutoCAD, then here you will find in that bar the tab, new tab, new tab, new tab, like that. So you can from here, as I'm using the lower version of AutoCAD, that's why I have to again go back. No. So here is our previous drawing. So now suppose I will this block, I will write this block. So to write this block, to write a block or to write any block, you have to press W, then enter, and from here you have to select object, and from here pick point, same as like as when we have created block like that. So click here, and after that here select object. So select that object, then enter. Then here you have to give a destination where you want to select that block according to your name. So you can also give here name. So I will just save that, and also you have to give the block unit here. So we have used inch, so here you will be inch, then press OK. Okay, done. So I'll save that. Now suppose if we open a cancel. So if we open a new black I mean blank drawing from here, so click here, and here we'll insert our block. So provide I. So for comment, press I and then enter. So if you find the block here, it is not available here. So for that you have to go browse, and where you have select your block, so here new block, and press OK, then OK. So just click here. So in this way you can draw your block, and also you can insert your block. And also the some ready-made blocks are available in AutoCAD default. So for your work purpose, for that you have to click BC, then enter. Sorry, not DC, BC, it will be DC, then enter. So after here you will found the block available block here according to requirement. So here the basic electronics, then furniture, home space. From here suppose if is it not available here, then how will find that? So here is the path. You have to go AutoCAD. Okay, you have to go AutoCAD, then you have to just click here, you have to go AutoCAD, and after that you have to come that sample, then from sample ENUS, from here the design center. So from design center you will be able to find what you record according to drawing. Suppose I will house designer, home space planner. So from here home space planner, click here block, double click. Suppose I want to take that bed. Okay, so double click here, and here is our bed, and then press OK. Now we'll be able to, suppose if I close that, we'll be able to insert our block here like that. We'll be able to insert our block here. And in a previous video I have shown you that how we'll use scale to fix that. Suppose you want to use your scale, so you have to press SC, then select object, this is the object, and again enter, and give here this is the base point, and after giving that, just give your scale factor. Suppose I want to give their scale factor 0.5, then enter. So it will be like that. Okay, so in this way we can use our block. Now suppose we just we have draw a house plan like that. Suppose this is a house plan, this is a sorry, this is also a house plan, and this is also sorry, this is also here. This is also a house plan. Now we are showing that 3 house plan in our buyer. Now suppose our buyer selected that house plan. Now what we'll see, we'll delete that 2 and we'll give them 2, give them 1. Okay, so we'll give them 1, but we can do different thing by using block. How? Suppose now we'll just create block for only that. So for that, click here, write block w, then pick point. Suppose this is our pick point, then select object, then here select object, then enter, and from here give a name new block 1, then press OK. So now if we uh, save it and sorry, okay, done. If we close that, and from here is our new block 1. If we open that, here is our drawing. Okay, so in this way you can do that. So I think it's okay for us for today, and if you have any confusion or anything, you can comment me below, or you can mail me. And also, if you are new to my channel, just press the like button, and if you think that that video is helpful for you, just press the like button and leave a comment. Your own comment and your own like inspire me for the next story. So thank you very much. S12, stay connected till next video.